Day 2 of Unit 3 is solving equations that have parentheses. I'm going to show you two ways to do them. The first way is using the distributive property. So let's take a look at problem number 1. Now you did something like this in one-step equations. You definitely messed with it when we were doing initial algebra. So first we're going to apply the distribution property. 2 goes over there. The arrows show you that you're multiplying everything inside the parentheses by what's outside. And I'm still going to draw my t. I'm still going to have that t to help me. All right, so 2 times x is 2x. And then we have plus 3, so plus 2 times 3 is 6, equals 16. Now once you're here, you know what to do. Now you're going to move the 6, so you're going to subtract 6 from both sides. You have 2x equals 10. Divide by the 2, x equals 5. Okay? So that's not bad. It's making sure you know how to use the distributive property. Pay close attention to the signs. Let's do another one. I like to draw the arrows because it helps you know where everything needs to go. So problem number 2. 3 times 2x, not 3 times 2 or 3 times x. 3 times 2x. I'm going to underline the whole 2x. Okay, you multiply by the whole 2x. There's my t. So I have 3 times 2x. I'm even going to write it out here because it's a slightly bigger problem, okay? 3 times 2x plus 3 times 5 equals -9. All I've done is apply, okay? I've taken this 2x plus 5, I've broken it apart. I'm simply showing you the extra step. 6x plus 15 equals -9. Make my t go down a little bit further. Move the 15 by adding the opposite. You should be getting good at this by now. We have 6x equals -24. And remember, you divide by whatever's in front of the x. So divide by 6, and x equals -4. So let's take a look at this again. 1, apply distributive property. 2, I guess we could say move numbers. 3, solve. Okay, not so bad. Let's take a look at another one. We'll do this one in black. Whoops. Okay. Remember, the 4 gets multiplied by everything. So you end up with 4 times 3b. Now look at our negative sign, minus 4 times 7. Pay attention to the symbol that is between the two, in the parentheses, the mathematical operation. Okay? The mathematical operation tells you what you're doing. That negative sign goes right there. Alrighty, let's continue on. Equals 2. So 4 times 3b is you end up with negative 8x equals 22. Divide both sides by negative 8, and it's perfectly fine to get a decimal number. So you have x equals negative 2.5. If this is still a little tricky, I want you to stop. I want you to go back to the top and watch how I do the steps. That's going to really help you. All right, there's day 2.